Do you know high blood pressure is a silent killer? High blood pressure can cause a lot of damages and it can even cause stroke, which is permanent damage. Can't even able to walk or even fatal. So do not neglect when your doctor is saying you have high blood pressure. Monitor your pressure. So very important for you to buy the machine and keep it and monitor your pressure. So if you have high blood pressure, it could be because of many reasons. It could be because of genetic, it could be because of your lifestyle itself, stress, and it also could be because of the food that you are taking or not enough sleep, which is causing this high blood pressure. So adults over the age of 30, you need to check your pressure. Pressure you can check, if you have it at home, you can check on a daily basis. If you don't have the BP machine, whenever you go to the clinic, make sure your pressure is checked. It is not going to be the same all the time. Sometimes it is normal, then within 1-2 months you can get high blood pressure. So there are some signs and symptoms that you are having high blood pressure. Usually you will have neck pain, you will have headache, some blurring of vision, but sometimes you don't have any sign because your body is adapted to that high blood pressure. So there are long-term risks, as I said, stroke. Stroke can happen because of high blood pressure. You can have cardiomyopathy, meaning that the left side of the heart will start becoming bigger because it is doing more work because of the high blood pressure. You can even have kidney failures, eye problems. So if you have poor diet, you are eating outside all the time, make sure you follow a proper diet, low salt diet, and exercise regularly. Drink plenty of water, have manage your stress in a proper way, and get a simple BP machine and monitor, and go to your nearest clinic and get a BP test on and off. That could prevent you from having this silent killer. So don't wait for any sign. High blood pressure rarely gives one, so let's check your numbers at the nearest clinic.